Are you still relying on paper-based processes for autonomous maintenance tasks like cleaning, inspections, lubrication, and tightening? Tired of missed inspections, poor visibility, and preventable breakdowns? Introducing Unvired CILT Pro, a comprehensive digital solution to transform your autonomous maintenance. Built for frontline operators. Paperless operations. Designed for productivity. What is CILT? CILT stands for cleaning, inspection, lubrication, and tightening, the four pillars of autonomous maintenance. Unvired CILT Pro integrates seamlessly with your existing systems like SAP, SharePoint, OpenText, and offers flexible deployment models like cloud, on-premise, or hybrid. The solution comes with the two powerful components: planning and scheduling web app for supervisors to plan, assign, and track tasks all in one place. Mobile and web app for frontline operators to perform tasks from the shop floor or the field, even offline. Using Unvired CILT Pro web app, supervisors and admins can schedule and assign tasks using drag and drop feature. Design custom checklists with photos, drop-downs, and instructions. View task progress in real time. Get alerts when something's skipped or overdue. Whether in the field or on the shop floor, your frontline operators can access and complete CILT tasks on their mobile device or web browsers and receive guided daily tasks organized by asset, shift, or location. Each task includes step-by-step checklists, photo capture, comments, and digital sign-off. Even without connectivity, the mobile app works offline and syncs data automatically later. Meanwhile, supervisors get real-time visibility through the admin portal, tracking tasks, ensuring compliance, and staying audit-ready. Everything is logged. Maintenance history and fault data. SOPs and manuals are easily accessible. Role-based access control for data security. With Unvired CILT Pro, you can reduce unplanned failures, lower maintenance costs, enhance operator engagement, improve safety and compliance, streamline team collaboration and visibility. Make your autonomous maintenance operations faster, safer, and smarter. Contact us today for a live demo or a free proof of concept.